Hi everyone, Alex here with SOURCE LLC, giving you guys a quick tutorial of our KALUM Medi 4-motor fully automatic exam chair. You guys always ask this question, does the chair go flat? And the answer is yes. This chair and all of our exam chairs go completely flat. What sets the KALUM Medi apart is the stability. So if you need a stable chair, if you're doing any kind of pre-post-op, even in-house operations, you can use this table. Let me demonstrate. So I'm about 180 pounds, and watch me bounce my weight on the one corner of the chair and really watch it go nowhere. So I'm bouncing my weight and it's rock solid. One of the other great features about the KALUM Medi is that you can control the chair via foot pedal controllers on either side of the base. So a lot of people miss that because it's flush with the base, but it is there. One last thing to remember, the KALUM Medi actually does include in the purchase price the hand controller. So you don't need to purchase that. And as a bonus, our hand controllers on the new model of the KALUM Medi has 3 additional memory locations that you can actually store on the remote. So if you purchase the chair will come with the remote controller. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll be glad to answer them for you. Thank you. And please remember, if you're not buying from the source, you're probably buying a knockoff. With over 2 decades of experience in the industry and service reps in all 50 states, including Canada, we'll never ask you to send your heavy equipment back to us for any service or repair. So give us your business and let us impress you with our excellent customer service. Thank you.